Good morning everyone. Welcome back to this channel. Today we are going to continue our chapter number 7, that is Introduction to Flash CS5. So for better understanding, let's move to the window screen.
Creating Flash artwork. The drawing tools in Adobe Flash CS5 allows us to create and modify the artwork in our Flash document. Most of the drawing tools in Flash are same as that of MS Paint. As we have already learned how to use MS Paint, so it will be easier for us to make use of these tools for creating our artwork. These tools are line tool, rectangle tool, and so on. So here we will start from first tool, that is line tool. Line tool is used to draw a straight line segment. To draw the line, click on the line tool in the tools panel. Select the line color, its thickness and style from the properties panel. Position the pointer on the stage where the line is to be begin and drag it till the end point. This way we can create the line in our artwork. Next is basic shapes and fill color. Here first is rectangle tool. This tool is used to create rectangular and square shaped object. To draw the basic geometrical shape, click the rectangle tool in the tool panel. Bring the mouse pointer on the stage and drag diagonally to draw the shape with selected outline and fill color. If you want to create a rectangle with a rounded corner, then specify the corner radius under the rectangle options in the properties panel before drawing the figure. Next is oval tool. This tool is also one of the basic geometrical tool and is used to draw circle or oval shape. To draw these shapes, click and hold mouse button on the rectangular tool in the tools panel. A cascading menu will appear. Select oval or other geometrical shape. Choose the fill and stroke color as needed and select the stroke style. Bring the mouse pointer on the stage and drag diagonally to draw the object. So this way we can add different object, different shapes. Next is pencil tool. This tool can be used to draw lines and shapes with free hand the same way that we use a real pencil tool in MS Paint. We can use smoothing and straightening drawing mode to draw a smooth freehand drawing or to draw straight line as needed. To draw with pencil tool, first click and select the pencil tool in the tool panel. Next, select the stroke color, size and style from the fill and stroke options in the properties panel. Choose the pencil mode from the tools option as smooth straighten or ink. Drag in the stage area to desired the strokes. Brush tool. This tool is used to draw with brush like strokes. It can create special effects which comes with a set of present brush shape like round, ellipse, square, rectangle and calligraphic. To select the brush tool, select the brush tool in the tools panel. Select the fill color and choose brush size and shape using brush tool property. Bring the mouse pointer in the stage area and drag to get the brush strokes using shift key if you need. If you need or if you want to draw horizontal or vertical strokes only, then use shift key. The various brush mode available are paint normal, paint behind, paint fills, paint selection, paint inside. Next is paint bucket tool. This tool fills the enclosed area with the selected color. It can be used to fill shapes or to change the existing fill color. Using this tool, we can fill solid colors, gradient and bitmaps. Now next is eraser tool. This tool can be used to erase the part or whole object from the stage area. It can also be used to erase only fills or strokes while leaving the other component unaffected. Select eraser tool from the tool panel and click the erase mode to modify and select erasing mode as erase normal, erase fill, erase lines, erase selected fills and erase inside. Change the eraser shape or size if needed. Drag on the object to be erased. Next is text tool and formatting text. Text tool in Flash is used to create text block on the stage. It is useful when you want to add some text on the existing artwork or to create text-based movie. We can create a text field of fixed width that expands vertically and wrap the word automatically or text field which expands horizontally as we type. We can format the text as well. For formatting the text, select the text field using selection tool. In the property panel, you under the character section choose the desired font and enter the value the font size in the size box. Working with symbols. Symbols are the reusable element like a graphic, button or movie clip that is created once and can be used many times to create Flash movie. When we create a symbol, it becomes a part of library from where we can insert it in our movie for as much as many time as needed. The copies of symbol used in the movie are called instance. that is instances instance. There are three different types of symbols. First is graphic symbols. These are the still images used as part of the animation. Second is button symbol. These are the interactive buttons that are respond to mouse click or roll over or other actions. Last is movie clip symbol. These are the reusable piece of animation. Now, to create a symbol, draw and color the object on the stage to be converted into a symbol. Now, click the selection tool in the tool panel and drag it around the created object to select the drawing. Choose Convert to Symbol option in the Modify menu or press F8 function key to convert the symbol dialog box as appear on the screen. Select the symbol type as graphic and give suitable name to it. Click OK button. We can use a symbol in our artwork. To use the created symbol in Flash Movie, first choose Library option in a window menu to open library. Scroll through the list of symbols in the lower portion of library panel. We can preview the symbol.
So that's all for today. I hope you understood each and every topic. Now we will meet in the next video. Till then, take care.